Today, I'll show you how we use Zapier agents to build a human-in-the-loop copilot for loan officers. It automates deep risk analysis, flagging hidden threats for their expert evaluation, and allowing them to better protect their institution from major loss. Let's jump in. In the top half of this, you're going to be seeing the steps that the loan officer goes through, and at the bottom, you're going to be seeing the Zapier steps that our agent goes through. This whole process kicks off whenever the officer is assigned a new loan request in Salesforce. That will automatically trigger a Zap to perform the search. This is what the Zap actually looks like. The top 3 steps that you see are the outbound message from Salesforce to trigger the Zap. Then we are getting all of the details of the company and all of the details of the principal contact on the loan application. What that's going to do is it's going to allow us to give the agent a clear prompt to do a search and to assess the risk level, all in the background while the loan officer is performing a risk assessment themselves. This all runs in step 4. That agent step is based on an agent that has been built that's a co-pilot with a clear prompt. And we provide it with an input message based on the results from the first 3 steps of the Zap. What that's going to do is it's going to give us an analysis, and it's going to say either option A, the risk is below the threshold, or option B, the risk is above the threshold. If the risk is above the threshold, it's going to lock the record in Salesforce, and it's going to notify the officer that they need to take a second look. Regardless of if the agent thought that the risk was high or not, we're going to be logging the results of the search for historical purposes. And in the path at the end, that's where we're going to be taking the different actions depending on the result of the search. For those with extra risk, the officer will now perform an AI-assisted assessment with all of those details. And regardless if they needed to have an extra check or not, they will proceed to either approve or reject that request. And that's how easy Zapier agents can make lending institutions de-risk their loan process. Well, I hope you enjoyed that demo. I hope you learned something. And you can see that Zapier is a really powerful AI orchestration platform that helps improve processes and businesses dramatically. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.